Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, we can see it. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. As usual, we need to go to the IMC. Okay. Implementation guide, SPRO transaction, already. Okay. This is the implementation guide. Okay. Every day we log in as SPRO, then we do all the configuration, right? So SPRO, and we'll go through this. Okay. Let's quickly we'll review that. Okay, what we have done last time. Okay, quickly. Under the under the enterprise structure, we defined our company code. Okay, we defined our company code, and we also assignment. We have done for assignment. Okay, quickly 1 minute, because we created. We defined our company code is 1710. Okay, this is 1710 company code. We have done it. What you guys can do that you can copy directly 1710 and you create your own number.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
Number, okay, whatever number you can do that. Okay, and edit and come. So here you can copy from any from 1710 to your company code. Okay, 1710 to your company code, and let's repeat that. Okay, and this is the company code, and under the logistics, we created a one plant and evaluation class and all these things. Okay, only plant you need to define it. So our plant is 2170. Our plant. Okay, this is our plant. Okay. Okay, under the sales and distribution, we defined our sales organization, everything. Okay, at the moment we are not working sales, so don't worry about that. And also under the material management, we need to define the storage locations. Okay, our plant is 2170. Okay, this is our plant 2170. This is what we need. Okay, looks like even 171 is also there. Don't know why 1710. We don't need it. I don't know why somebody's created. Just let me remove this one. Okay, don't want this necessary application. Okay, it stores in our transport. And we maintain purchasing organization also. That's already. Okay. Standard I went for 27 PO purchasing organization. And under the logistics, where we created our dummy warehouse. Okay. Our dummy warehouse is 3-digit number 271. Okay. This is the definition we have done. And also we define our shipping point. As I said, shipping point is very important. Okay, for receiving and delivery. Okay, 27 shipping point. Yeah, 271P. Okay, this is our shipping point. Then once we define this one, we went for assignment. Okay, under the financial accounting, where we went for company code to company. Okay, that's all we've done it. Controlling, we just checked, make sure that our area is right. Okay, and we went to logistics, where we assigned our plant to company code. Okay, and under sales and distribution, because they say more, so where sales are going to company code, distribution to organization. So we have done it every assignment here. Okay, under the material management, we assigned our purchasing our company code and the purchasing our plant. Okay, these are things we don't need a standard one. Okay, only two. Under the logistic execution, where we assigned our dummy warehouse to, this is a very important. Just you need to ensure this. Okay, because our warehouse we are going to manage the 2 storage locations, IM based locations. 271D is a receiving and dock. 271S is okay available for sale. Okay. Even return we have done it, but may not use much. But most of the time 271D and 271S. 271D is receiving and dock, all receiving side, and 271 is available for sale. more on delivering to the customer. This is what we made it. Okay. What is that? Plant, our plant and the storage location, our dummy warehouse. This is the linkage. If you did you observe at the top level, see this one, if you observe this top level, MMIM storage locations. Okay, material management, inventory storage locations. They're mapping to the LE, logistic execution warehouse, okay, warehouse management warehouse. Okay, this is the linkage. Okay, and assign shipping point. This is very important. If you miss it, then you will struggle for that. Okay, so don't make sure that you assign your shipping point to your plant. Okay, ours is 2710. Okay, SG Corp. Okay, then similarly, I'm moving to the EWM one. What we have done EWM. Then finally we move to EWM. In EWM, what we have done is, first we defined our warehouse number. Our warehouse number is 2710 SG Corp. I think somebody has already created. Okay. And also we assigned a warehouse number 2710. Okay. Next step is, while assigning, we know that we need a supply chain in it and we need a custodian. Okay. That's what we discussed, right? So we spend more time on how to create a custodian and as a supplier and a plant. I know a lot of people ask me questions, why supplier like that? So we already answered. And the supply chain means it gives physical validation of the warehouse, where it gives address, all the things. Okay. Otherwise, with just defining warehouse, it won't have any meaning for that. Okay. Under the supply chain, you have defined as a geographical locations because address and everything. And also you define some of the business attributes. What business attributes? Like inventory, goods receipt office, and shipping office. And there are so many door. How for the address also you need to define for door. So even door, even gate. So all these things we assigned under the supply chain unit as a business attributes. To go back to review that. Okay. Then finally, once we define and everything assigned that, we copied 1710 best practice system. What we did under the cross settings, okay, where we went to copy warehouse number customizing. That means we have already 1710 best practice system, 1710 best practice. We copied existing configuration settings to our 2710. That's all we have done it already. Okay, I'm not going to copy it, but this is what we have done it. So because we can minimize our efforts rather than building everything from the scratch. Okay, so we copied 1710 to our warehouse. Okay? So yeah, I can go back and see master data and anything, for example, in that matter. Okay, if I see define storage type, so just example. Okay? For example, 2710. I think we'll see 1710. Okay, so that you know that. 1710.
This step, it seems this step we have not done it, Naidu, before. I mean, at least to my knowledge, we have not copied the from 1710 to, yeah, we have not done that.
Okay.
We didn't
We'll
do
see
that
that.
copy warehouse.
I will check it anyway, don't worry. Okay, that's why we are going one by one now. So if anything missing, we can see that. So we have not copied. Okay, it's a good. So what we can do now, because the last session we defined and assigned warehouse number, that's all we have done it. Okay. So next, as you said, right? Once, if we are not defined like cross setting everything, okay, we will wait for that because we defined already, define warehouse number. Okay, assign warehouse number, we have done it, and one more, some few more steps we have done. Okay, I'm going there. Okay. And we, as I said, at the last, but the that node integration with other SAP components. Okay, we went for integration aspect. Okay, and integration with other SAP, where under the extended warehouse management. Okay, where we have defined as the business settings, landscape settings. Okay, these are all the, as I said, S4 side. Okay, S4 or EWM side. Sorry, S4 side or ERP side. Okay, because sometimes people will use either S4 HANA or ERP, ECC 7 and somewhere they use for. Okay, 6 or 7. So this is the landscape. So as I said, we may not to create everything, but okay, we need to define the logical system. One is for the EWM system. That EWM system we call as a dummy logical system because we are working as an embedded system. Okay, in a decentralized, yeah, we can create a normal one. Okay, but here embedded one, we should define as a logical system because otherwise system won't flow between the system. Okay, but we already answered a lot of questions last time. And yes, for logical system. Okay, the where all our purchasing, okay, all sales, finance, and everything is sitting there in a logical system. Okay, yes, for client 400, 100, and our EWM is a dummy. This is the basis, guys. They will create. If we have a TM, okay, assume that we are going to integrate TM system. Okay, if it's a TM system, then they will define as one more logical system for the transport system. Okay, another logical system. Okay, and once you create assign a logical system to client, just I said, you need not do anything. Just try to check that. Okay, you feel it like, and make sure that under the client, our logical system, S4 logical system is assigned.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
Not EWM, S4 logical system. Okay. One we discuss and set up RFC destination. Okay. So just click the RF destination. That's all we said. And we have S4 client and also EWM client. Okay. S4 client, just as I said, we need to test it. Okay. And log in security. Just make sure that, our client, and you can test this some connection also. How quickly the connection is a 23 milliseconds. Okay. To send a data from S4 to EWM system. Similarly, okay, this one, and also EWM system. Client is EWM system. If you double click on that, you can check the connection system. Okay, the data flow between the EWM system to S4 system, 18 milliseconds. The data flows. Okay, we already tested this one. Okay, login system. Just make sure a client 100 is there. This is the client 100. You know that I explained. This is EWM client and the client 100. That's where the conventions also, there is a proper conventions. Okay, you can easily remember all. Okay, these things. CS4H client CLNT 100. See here also EWM client 100. If it's a TM client 100 like that. Okay, the connection and assign RFC destination different application cases. We are not done as of now. We'll see that. Okay,